Okay, Brula. Move into this house now.
Into my house.
Yes. Take everything that belongs to you. Pack your wife, pack your children, pack your belongings, and get out of the place.
No, it has not gotten to that. I will just. Your money is intact. I'll make money and
then give it to me.
It's not here now.
Give it to me. Who knows what you have done in the village that made them lay cost on you, that is following you around, and you want to bring your abject poverty into my own compound? It will not work. It will not work. I have Christ in me, and that is why I have Allah. Remember, your husband is still owing for the toilet. Awesome. Your husband is owing for the toilet. If you don't leave this place now, I will remember you. Stupid thing. If you can wear the kanga, you won't. Don't, baby.
Family are kneeling down, baby.
Please don't chase us out.
It's not easy for people to kneel down like this to beg people.
Listen to my daughter. If I know it's good man, you're a good man. You are a good man.
You're a very good man.
When you walk up your me will rub your walk on me whom I do. See, let me tell you, I stopped being a nice man from the day you people started owing me. Yes,
no, don't say
that very moment your rent expires, that was the day I stopped being a nice man. Now I am the worst person you can ever think of. In fact, I am the devil. I am the devil.
You are a very good man. You cannot change who you are. You cannot change it. You're a very good man. Look at your beard. You're nice. You can't change it.
Hi. Then be nice.
Please.
Be nice. I'm nice, Ewa. Be nice.
Let me rush to.
Rush to where?
Make money.
If you do rush into your grave now, get one bastard. If you don't rush into your grave now, you call me bastard. I am talking to you. I am standing here. You want to rush out? No, rush out. Rush out. No. You want to rush? Rush here. Rush.
Please allow him to go now.
I shall allow who to go? Come again. Today, call Gachata Bon. They look my rent.
For appointment.
It will look what you're an appointment. I am talking to her. She goat. I don't care who she is. If she's your wife, she should do what other women are doing to get money to support their husband and not staying at home robbing powder money.
I know I'm owing you, but you don't insult my wife.
Hey! I shouldn't insult your wife. I'm going to insult her. I am going to insult this wretched thing you brought her. She's a bad luck to you. The moment, see, this is the cause of your problem. If you don't want me to insult her, I will insult her. You are a fool. You are stupid.
Now stop insulting my mother.
If you talk, I will knock off your smartness in you and you will remain smartless. Stupid thing. I am talking, you are talking. You think you maybe if you kneel down, there's a why and the mama. I will now succumb. I am unsuccumbable. I cannot succumb to your stupid begging. Pay me my rent, that's all. Go inside there. Go inside there. Go. Take everything that belongs to you.
Please, no, don't chase us out.
I shouldn't chase you out. I should chase you in. I shouldn't chase you out. I should chase you in. Go. Go and back at this.
Wait.
I should wait. Any wait you will see from me.
This is my house.
Whose house?
This is my house.
This is my structure. This is my structure. You didn't pay. The house did not belong to you.
I will pay. I was rushing out to go and make money.
I was also rushing out to come and collect my money. So there's no.
This is my house. You're trespassing. I know I'm owing you, but I pay
Franklin, you cannot hear how to. I will deal with you.
Stop this. Stop this.
Pay me my money.
I'm at
Hey!
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I don't see it. Let's take the once. Director, no